Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to read Mrs. Wishy Washy again, okay? I want you to pay close attention to the characters and the setting and the order in which the characters are coming, okay? Because tomorrow we will be doing an activity with that, okay? Okay, so here we go. Mrs. Wishy Washy by Joy Cowley. Here is our title page, Mrs. Wishy Washy by Joy Cowley. Here we go. Oh, lovely mud, said the cow, and she jumped in it. Oh, lovely mud, said the pig, and he rolled in it. Oh, lovely mud, said the duck, and she paddled in it. Along came Mrs. Wishy Washy. Just look at you, she screamed. Oh. In the tub you go. In went the cow. Wishy washy, wishy washy. In went the pig. Wishy washy, wishy washy. In went the duck. Wishy washy, wishy washy. That's better, said Mrs. Wishy Washy, and she went into the house. Away went the cow, away went the pig, away went the duck. Oh, lovely mud, they said. Ooh, they're going to get in the mud again, and Mrs. Wishy Washy is not going to be happy, is she? What animal came first in the story? Who got in the mud first? Ooh, the cow. And then who? The pig. And then who? The duck. Right? Okay, you guys were just listening to that for fun today. I just wanted you to pay attention to that because tomorrow we will be doing an activity with that. But that was just a fun story that you get to listen to today. Okay, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye, friends.